Hi friends, welcome to Answers. So today it is the 49th episode in the geography series. Today we are going to discuss about the country of Venezuela. Yes, Venezuela. So first I'll just draw the borders of Venezuela. So it is like this, small like things like this. Yes, I still have the cold. Yes, I'm still coughing. So yeah. Next here is its border. Next if we go, then just like a round part here. Then some straight lines and back up here where, yes, this is Venezuela. Yes, so okay. So Venezuela is a country in the northern coast of South America. So it consists of a continental landmass. So this is the main continental mass. And it also has many islands in the Caribbean Sea, like here, islands and islets too. Islets means like smaller islands, yes. So they are all over the place. So next it has a territorial extension of 916,445 square kilometers. So it makes it the 32nd most largest country in the whole world. Yes, pretty large. So its population is just 29 million people. That makes it, the 50th most populous country in the whole world. Yes. So the capital and the largest urban agglomeration is the city of Caracas, which is like somewhere here too on the coast. Here, yeah. Okay. So yeah, the official languages are like Spanish, and then the recognized languages there are 26 of them. They can't fit in just here. Yes, there are a lot of them. So Spanish is because the Spanish came and colonized them, and as well as many other countries in Latin America. Yes, so yeah, wow. So next, its ethnic groups are 51.6% Moreno, which are somewhat indigenous. Like 43.6% are white people, 3.6% are black, and 1.2% are other indigenous people. Yes. So the religion here are 92.6% Christians, next 5.5% no religion, 1.1% spiritualism, and 0.8% other religions like Islam, Hinduism, or any others. Yes. So yeah. Next, it got independence from Spain on 5th July 1811, and then it didn't get full independence. It joined the larger country called as Grand Colombia, which had parts of Panama, Venezuela, Colombia, as well as Ecuador. So after that, in 1820 or 30s, it finally got its independence. Yes, it was. That Grand Colombia state was pretty unstable, Yes, so at the time. The currency was the Venezuelan bolivar. Yes. So next its borders are, so on the north, it is the Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Oceans. So all of this in the north side are the Caribbean Sea, which is again mostly in the Atlantic Ocean. So next, on the west, it is bordered by Colombia, which goes like this. So this is somewhat of Colombia. It is like the worst thing I have ever done. Yes. So next, on south, there is the country of Brazil. Brazil goes somewhat like this. It is pretty huge, so I can't draw all of it. So next, okay. Next on there's Trinidad and Tobago to the northeast. So this is a small tiny country, which is a Caribbean island, which is its own separate country. So it doesn't exactly border Venezuela, but it borders it maritimely. So it is here and here. Yes, it is very small. Yes. And finally, Guyana to the east. Yes, Guyana. Yeah, so these are the borders of Venezuela. So the Venezuelan government maintains a claim against Guyana. So yeah, so this is the part of Guyana all of the borders of Guyana which are directly controlled under Guyana. So then again, if we split it in the middle here, so next, another fun fact if you don't know. So west of this line, Venezuela claims it even if it doesn't have any authority. So you can research in Google why. Yes, it has many reasons. Yes, so it has the world's largest known oil reserves and has been one of the world's leading exporters of the oil resource. So there is a large oil resource somewhere on the coast here. Yes. So yeah, wow. It is also a prominent exporter of coffee and cocoa. Yes, many countries in this middle region around this Caribbean Sea produce this cocoa and coffee for some reason only. I don't know why.
Equatorial climate.
Yes, all the countries in the equatorial climate do this. I don't know why. Because the climate. So the country struggles with record hyperinflation. Lots of inflation. So lots of this Venezuelan bolivar equivalent to $1. 4,000 of them are equivalent to $1. Yes, that is how much inflation is happening in this country. Yes, so it is one of the 17 mega diverse countries too. Yes, so this is for today about Venezuela. Bye.